Hi, friends. Welcome back to another wonderful day of teaching and learning Peak Flicks Math with Miss McKinley. Today is day 6, and you have all been working so hard. I am so proud of you. Ooh, today something looks different. Let's start with our number sense. Today we are doing whole body counting to 10. So we will be able to count out loud to 10. Count to 10 using your fingers. So ready, friends? You'll need 2 sets of hands for this. For now, keep them both marked at 0. Starting on this side with your pinky. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job! Let's do that one more time. Show me both hands with 0. Starting on this side with number 1. Ready? Did you notice that once I filled my hand to 5, I just popped up my thumbkin and kept on going? So let's start with 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. Now count to 10 with shoulder taps. Ready? Starting with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Count to 10 growing like a flower. Ready? So start really small with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. Now let's do partner counting. Take turns counting to 10. So if I start with 0, you'll say 1, and then we'll go back and forth taking turns. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Awesome job, and you can practice doing that more with your friends at home. Fluency. Use your whiteboard to write how many dots are on the dominoes. So here are those cool dominoes. And now it's your turn to do this all by yourself. So go ahead and grab your Expo marker and your whiteboard, and let's start. Please count the white dots on this domino. Did you show me 1? Excellent. Clear your board. Let's count the next dots in the dominoes. Did you show me 5? Excellent. Let's count these dots. Oh, sorry, friends. That probably made a loud noise. I have my other camera on my desk and I just smacked it. Did you show me 4? Awesome sauce. Clear your board. Let's count the next set of dots. Did you show me 2? Great job counting. You are all counting so fluently. Let's count the next set of dots. Did you say 3? Awesome job. Let's see the next set of dots. Did you say 5? Great job doing your math fluency. Today's math goal says, I can recognize, write, and count to 6. Ooh, this is exciting. So we have a new number that we're learning about today. So when we recognize the number, we can look at this number here and say, that is number 6. When we write number 6, we'll have a fun poem to help us learn how. And we're also going to count all the way to 6. So here is our 6th poem. This says all about number 6. So start here and let's skywrite this number. Ready? Make a C, then in you go. Now you've made a 6, you know. Let's say that slower and you can repeat after me. Say, make a C, then in you go. Now you've made a 6, you know. Excellent. Let's count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness. So we had a whole 5 and then one more. Let's see if we can count that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. Let's count the dots on the domino. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number 6 is a group of 5 and then one more. Ten frame. This is a math tool that we use to help us stay organized. Say 10 frame. Beautiful. Let's count the number of squares on the 10 frame. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What are you noticing? Are you noticing that the name of this tool, 10 frame, is telling you that there are 10 in this organizational tool? You are noticing that. Also, I want to bring your attention to this line here. Let's count how many are up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then wait a minute. Each one of those has a partner. Let's count how many are down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 5 and 5 make 10. Use your cubes to represent the number. Write the number on your whiteboard. So let's count how many first. We notice that this friend filled up this entire line of 5, and then they had one more down here. So let's count how many this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So friends, for this activity, you are going to need 10 cubes, your whiteboard, and your Expo marker. So go ahead and grab that as I adjust my camera so that you guys can see what I'm doing. And I'm also going to turn my camera around. So as I'm getting myself organized, you can get all the materials that you need for this lesson. Okay, so let's see. How can we make this a little bit better to see? Awesome. Okay, so here we have our cubes lined up and ready to go. We have our board and we also have our marker. So when I'm looking up here at how we've organized this number, I notice that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the top. So go ahead and show me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show me that in a nice line. Awesome. And then we have one down here all by itself. Beautiful job. So let's count your cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's write that number. Make a C, then in you go. Now you've made a 6, you know. Beautiful. My marker got snagged on my camera a little bit as I was reaching. So let's try that again. Make a C, then in you go. Now you've made a 6, you know. Beautiful job, friends. You can clear your board because we have another number to count next. Let's see what's next. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. And do you notice how they're in a nice line together? This group of 5 is together. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome job putting that in a nice, neat line. Let's write number 5. We can use our number 5 poem to help us to form this number correctly. Short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. Ooh, that might be my personal best. The poem really helps me to think about how to write a number 5. You can clear your board. Beautiful job, friends. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4. Show me 4 on your board. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Let's write the number 4 poem. Down and over, down some more. That's the way you make a 4. The poems help me write my numbers so neatly. Awesome. You can clear your board. Beautiful job, friends. Let's see what number is next. 1, 2, 3. Let's count 1, 2, 3. Let's do our poem so that can help us write number 3. Around and around, trace back out like a bee. That's the way you make a 3. And here I reminded you to ride that line and trace back out, just so that we can correctly form our number 3. Awesome job, friends. You can clear your board. Let's see what number is next. Help me count. 1, 2. Show me 1, 2. And the poem for 2 goes, make a candy cane, give it a shoe. That's the way you make a 2. Excellent. Oh, I forgot to clear my board, silly goose. There we go. How many are here? 1. Count 1. Let's do our poem for number 1. Start at the top, down you run. That's the way you make a 1. Awesome job, friends. So let's check back with our goal. Our goal said, I can recognize, write, and count to 6. Were we able to do that today? Check. Thank you so much for joining me for another wonderful day of teaching and learning. Peak Flicks Day 6 Math with Miss McKinley. I can't wait to learn more with you tomorrow. Have a great day, friends.